Today we expose 6 engine oils sitting on the shelves of Supercheap Auto, Repco, Coles and Woolworths right now that are a complete tax on your intelligence. Most Australians think they are buying premium engine protection, but a lot of what sits in the automotive aisle is a systemic corporate trap designed to drain your wallet while slowly choking your car to death. Walk into any auto parts store and the oil aisle looks reassuring. Brightly colored jugs, holograms, motorsport logos, and technical buzzwords that sound like they belong on a spaceship. But over the last decade, something fundamental has shifted. We are talking about glorified cooking oil masquerading as high-tech lubrication. Products where you are paying double, triple, or even 10 times the price for obsolete formulas, deceptive marketing, and cheap mineral fillers that turn into a greasy, watery disaster under the blistering Australian summer heat. And wait until you see number 5, which is basically a chemical band-aid that can actually cause your engine seals to permanently fail if you ever try to switch back. If you care about your car, your wallet, or just not being played for a fool by massive corporations, you need to pull these out of your garage immediately. Let us start with the ultimate laziness tax that catches thousands of Australians out every single week. Number 1. The Petrol Station 1-litre top-up, Shell Helix and BP Visco. You are on a road trip up the coast. The dreaded red oil pressure light flickers on the dashboard, and you pull into the nearest roadhouse. You are in a panic, so you grab that convenient 1-litre bottle of Shell Helix or BP Visco from the shelf right next to the overpriced chips and energy drinks. It saves your engine, right? Yes, but you have just been brutally ripped off. A 1-litre bottle of basic mineral oil at a service station often costs $25 to $30. If you take out your calculator and do the math, that is up to $150 for 5 litres. If you buy a 5-litre jug of that exact same oil at Supercheap Auto, it costs around $35. You are paying a 400% markup for the exact same liquid. The corporations know you are in an emergency and they price gouge you for your desperation. It is a convenience tax placed on drivers who do not keep a spare bottle in the boot. You are paying premium, top-tier, full synthetic prices for bottom-of-the-barrel mineral sludge simply because it is in a smaller bottle and you had no other choice. Number 2. Coles and Woolworths home brand motor oil. Walk down the supermarket aisle and you will see the home brand 20W50 motor oil sitting there for $15. It looks like an absolute bargain, especially when the big-name brands are sitting at $70. But this product is the poster child for getting exactly what you pay for. This is Group 1 mineral oil. In the complex world of petrochemicals, Group 1 is the cheapest, most unrefined, least stable base oil you can legally bottle and sell to the public. When you pour this into a modern car, it is a catastrophic mismatch. Modern engines run incredibly hot with impossibly tight clearances. This supermarket sludge cannot handle the thermal load of the Australian climate. Under high heat, it literally boils off and oxidizes, leaving a thick, black, gritty crust inside your engine block known as carbon sludge. It is the equivalent of trying to fry eggs in cheap margarine instead of high-heat oil. It just burns and sticks to the pan. If you take the oil cap off an engine that runs on this stuff, it looks like it is coated in black mayonnaise. You are saving $20 at the checkout, but you are guaranteeing a $3,000 engine rebuild down the line. It is industrial processing waste, bottled for the uninformed. Number 3. Castrol GTX Ultra Clean Synthetic Blend. This one makes the list because of pure, legalized deception. The front of the bottle proudly screams synthetic blend or semi-synthetic in massive, bold letters. It sounds incredibly advanced. It sounds like a fair compromise, like you're getting half synthetic oil and half mineral oil for a mid-range price. Think again. Under Australian marketing laws, an oil company does not have to tell you the exact ratio of synthetic to mineral oil in a blend. Industry insiders know that many semi-synthetic oils contain as little as 10 to 15% actual synthetic base stock. The remaining 85% is just cheap conventional mineral oil. But because they sprinkled a tiny drop of synthetic in the vat, they get to legally slap the word synthetic on the bottle and charge you a massive premium. It is a brilliant psychological trick. You are paying a 40% markup for a shiny label, but inside your engine, it performs almost exactly like the cheap stuff. The long-term protection just is not there. It is a complete corporate trap designed to make you feel like you are upgrading when you are actually just padding their profit margins. Number 4. Aldi Auto XS engine oil. The middle aisle of Aldi is famous for bargains, and picking up some engine oil next to a discounted lawnmower and a cheap tent feels like a massive win. The Aldi Auto XS range looks the part, often boasting impressive European specifications on the back label, but the massive hidden problem here is sheer stability. Oil relies on viscosity modifiers, which are basically long molecular chains that expand when the oil gets hot to keep it thick and protective. But when cheap oil is squeezed between the microscopic gaps in your engine parts, like your camshaft and lifters, it physically shears. Those long polymer molecules literally get chopped into tiny pieces by the mechanical force of the engine. This means the oil permanently thins out. What started as a thick, protective 40-weight oil turns into a watery, useless 20-weight oil after just a few thousand kilometers. Your engine gets louder, your fuel economy drops, and the metal-on-metal wear accelerates because the oil film is too thin to keep the moving parts separated. You are paying for a product that literally falls apart on a molecular level when your engine needs it the most. Number 5. Valvoline MaxLife and other high-mileage oils. If your car has hit 150,000 kilometers, the auto store clerk will inevitably point you toward a high-mileage oil like Valvoline MaxLife. They promise to miraculously stop oil leaks, reduce smoke, and restore lost performance. How do they actually do this? By pumping the oil full of chemical seal swell agents. These are highly aggressive chemicals designed to soak into your old, shrinking, brittle rubber gaskets and force them to expand and puff up. It fills the gaps and stops the leak temporarily. But this is a chemical dessert in disguise. Once you start using a high-mileage oil with seal swell agents, you can never, ever stop. If you switch back to normal synthetic oil on your next service, those bloated seals will quickly shrink back. But this time they will be even more brittle than before, and your engine will leak like a sieve. It is forced brand loyalty through chemical dependency. You are not actually fixing the mechanical engine wear. You are just masking the symptoms and hooking your car on a specific product for the rest of its natural life. Number 6. Penright Everyday Mineral Oil. Penright is a legendary, iconic Australian brand. They make some of the absolute best world-class racing oils on the planet, but the major retailers push them to create a budget line to compete with the flood of cheap imported junk. The Penright Everyday range in the silver and grey bottles relies heavily on the premium Penright reputation, but it is fundamentally just a basic entry-level mineral oil. People buy it thinking they are getting top-tier, high-performance protection simply because of the famous Penright logo on the bottle, but the specifications and the additive packages inside are completely average. It is not necessarily a bad oil, but it is a psychological rip-off. You are buying the badge, not the engineering. If you are going to buy a premium brand to protect your pride and joy, you need to actually buy their premium product. Otherwise, you are just paying a premium markup for the sticker on the front. But you do not have to play this game. You do not have to settle for watery mineral oils, fake synthetic blends, or chemical dependency traps. Let us talk about the Australian options that are actually worth your time, your money, and your engine. First, Penright 10/10ths or the Penright HPR range. If you want the real deal from an Australian company, this is the absolute gold standard. These are true 100% full synthetic oils, but the real secret is the additive package. They are packed with massive doses of zinc, also known as ZDDP, which acts as a sacrificial layer of armor over your engine internals to protect them from extreme wear. They do not shear down in the summer heat, they do not leave thick black sludge, and they actually actively clean your engine while you drive. Yes, you pay more up front, but it is honest, bulletproof engineering that pays for itself by preventing mechanical failure. Second, Nulon Apex Full Synthetic, another absolute powerhouse Australian brand that refuses to compromise. Nulon does not hide behind shady marketing terms or hidden ratios. Their premium full synthetic range uses advanced molybdenum additives. Moly is a friction modifier that chemically bonds to the metal surfaces inside your engine block, creating a microscopic, slippery film that drastically reduces friction and lowers operating temperatures. It is uncompromised, high-tech protection that actually delivers exactly what the bottle promises. Third, Castrol Edge Full Synthetic. If you want a globally recognized oil that is proven to deliver under pressure, skip the synthetic blends entirely and go straight to the gold bottle. Castrol Edge uses a true synthetic base combined with what they call fluid titanium technology. This means the oil physically changes its structure under extreme pressure, becoming stiffer to keep metal apart when the engine is under heavy load, like when you are towing a caravan up a steep hill. It is the oil you buy when you want to make sure your engine outlasts the rest of the car. The modern automotive industry relies entirely on the fact that engine oil is a blind item. You pour it into a dark hole at the top of your engine and you cannot see what it is actually doing until it is too late and you are standing on the side of the road waiting for a tow truck. They use confusing labels, emergency price gouging, legal loopholes, and meaningless buzzwords to quietly empty your wallet. But every time you walk past the cheap semi-synthetics and grab a proper, honest, full synthetic oil, you are protecting your investment. Reclaim your garage. Buy pure engineering, not deceptive marketing. Which of these engine oils are you guilty of buying? Did you fall for the synthetic blend trap, the Aldi middle aisle gamble, or the petrol station price gouge? Let us name and shame below.